Alright, in this video I'm going to be showing you how I brand my product or any of my image I want to upload online or on WhatsApp or my status, or I want to send it to anybody. So I'm going to show you how I brand it with my personalized logo, and it's very simple, and I'm going to be doing everything 100% on WhatsApp. So let us click into WhatsApp. So let us go to status. Maybe I want to upload a status, and I want to personalize it. I don't want anybody to actually take any of my image and sharing it elsewhere. So I'm going to, let me pick this particular image that I edited yesterday. So this, let me pick another one too. Okay, I want to make this one before and after. This is before and this is after. So I edited this yesterday. Fine, using my mobile. Fine. So let us go to sticker. You can see this particular icon. It's been here for a while. So when you click on it, you have the option. And make sure you've already upgraded your WhatsApp so that you can have this option. If you are still using old WhatsApp, you might not be able to do it. So here you can see all these files. These are my WhatsApp. These are my personalized logo. These three. So I can pick anyone I like just to brand it. So let me click on this. You can just adjust it, put it in the corner. That's all. The second one. So I click on sticker too. I take my personalized logo. I can use this one as well. Just put it here. So no one is. If I send this now, it's going to be there till eternity. Wherever this picture goes, my logo goes with it. So no one will be able to tamper with any of my pictures. So if I send my pictures to you, you can't claim the ownership of it. So fine, let us go. Let's try that. Okay, I want to send this particular image to someone. I want to send image to someone across WhatsApp. So maybe a group or wherever you want to send the image. You can do the same process. It's just the same thing. You can do the same thing. Just go to sticker. You see your personalized sticker that you've created. You can see it. So I just click on this. You can put the size or whatever you want it to be. You can just adjust it and put whatever you want it to be. You grab your screen and use it to rotate. You can use it to rotate, or you can see that it's showing some line. That is what we call snapping. You can see. So you can just put it anywhere you like, and that's all. Wherever this picture goes, your logo goes with it. So if you want to create your own personalized logo, you can contact me at giveaway price, or you want to learn some other tricks too, you can just contact me. And if you want to learn batching, like maybe you want to create a lot of images, maybe you want to upload some images on your status and they are much, I can give you some tips, some apps you can use to do that faster. So I think that will be all for now. Thank you for watching.